Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a Steam disk write error you were coming across on your Steam application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the location that you normally access Steam with. So let's say you go through the Start menu. You want to go ahead and right click on whatever you would normally select to open Steam, and then select where it says Open File Location. You do the same thing if you had a shortcut on the desktop, and now you want to right click on this shortcut and select Properties. Select the Compatibility tab and go ahead and checkmark where it says Run this program as an administrator. Select Apply and OK. Once you're done with that, go ahead and launch Steam, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So just give it a moment here. Go ahead and click Do Not Show again, and then select Continue. And hopefully then you should be able to sign in, and that should resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.